And as you can see up on the screen there, this is introducing a brand new AGA for 2023.
So I'm a little bit confused.
Well, first of all, I should go to a general reaction. What do you think? Do I get a round of applause?
I'm a little bit confused. Is this a Kickstarter for a subscription service, or is this a subscription, or?
Yeah.
We're in a red stands for.
It's not gonna.
It can't have Amiga within the Commodore. It's crap.
It needs it.
Okay, we are letting you go, Dave, because our connection is breaking up. But thank you very much. We'll get him to explain it.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm excited. Thank you, David.
Is everybody else? I get a round of applause.
Bye-bye.
Bye now. See you all. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you.